Ever found yourself worrying about how to manage your diabetes while on the move? Well, today we dive into that very topic. Welcome to our video, where we guide you through 5 crucial tips to help you travel comfortably while managing diabetes. Tip number 1. Preparation is key. Start by visiting your healthcare provider at least a month before you travel. Discuss your travel plans and get a thorough checkup to ensure you're in good shape for your journey. Make sure to ask your doctor for a letter that explains your condition, the medication you're on, and any equipment you need, like insulin pens or pumps. This letter can be a lifesaver, especially when going through security checks at airports or other travel hubs. Moving on to tip number 2. Pack smart. Always pack twice the amount of medication and supplies you think you'll need. It's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. Also, keep your supplies in your carry-on luggage. Checked bags can get lost, and you don't want to be left without your necessary items. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated and pack snacks. It's easy to get dehydrated while traveling, especially on long flights. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up once you're through security. Also, pack a variety of snacks to help maintain your blood sugar levels. Think protein bars, nuts and fresh fruits. Tip number 4. Remain active. Long journeys can mean lots of sitting, but it's essential to keep your blood flowing. If you're on a flight, stand up and walk around the cabin when it's safe to do so. If you're on a road trip, take breaks to stretch your legs and walk around. And finally, tip number 5. Keep track of your blood sugar levels. Make sure to regularly monitor your blood sugar levels during your trip. This can help you identify any potential issues early and address them promptly. To summarize, managing diabetes while traveling revolves around 5 key points: preparing well in advance, packing smart, staying hydrated and snacking wisely, remaining active, and keeping track of your blood sugar levels. By following these tips, you can enjoy your travel experiences without letting diabetes get in the way. Remember, diabetes doesn't have to limit your ability to explore and experience new places. With the right planning and precautions, you can travel comfortably and confidently. So pack your bags, embrace these tips, and set off on your next adventure.